प्रेपरेशन तो इतना कुछ हुआ नहीं है, बट सेट पे आई लाइक टू मेंशन पर्सन हु रियली हेल्प मी speak Marathi is man, I don't think he's here. Vikas is not here, but he's somebody who helped a little bit, in fact a lot actually, in me speaking Marathi, because I don't know how to speak so well, but I think the way he's made me talk in the film, I'd like to take his name and, you know, share the credit with him.
बिल्कुल नहीं. I think जब हम लोगों ने साउथ इंडियन फिल्म जब शुरू हुई थी 2, तो I think Rohit went and he heard the narration and he decided that we should not do that film. तो फिर हमने अपने हिसाब से रोहित ने अपना स्क्रिप्ट पे 2 साल काम किया, and when we all were very happy, and then we started this film. So nothing to do with. Yeah, I mean I'm very thankful that he's done that, and I think ये जितनी problems जो छपती हैं और दिखाई जाती हैं सब मीडिया में, I don't know there is no such problem. There's never been. So we all wish each other all the best, and you know, we all work as one unit.
I think he'll make the best cop. He'll make a better cop than Ajay and Salim. No, I'm Bajirao Singham's love interest and his wife in real life, so it's fine. We'll keep it at that.
I don't know how to react. I mean, she's a great lady. और कल शाम को, in fact, हमारा एक discussion भी हुआ कि should we postpone this event. So I think it was too late. Otherwise, we would have postponed.
Well, I've been a great fan, like all of us here, of Zora ji, and I mean, I think it's a complete loss, and she's a great artist, a great legend. We'll miss her, and I'm sure I didn't have the opportunity, but Karishma has, and Ranbir has worked with her in Savaria. So, but I'm sure that she's happy. She's lived a full life. So may her soul rest in peace.
जी वो सेट पे आए थे और I think रोहित से बात हुई थी उनकी, और वो he was there and he dropped in on the set. तो I think कोई ऐसा बॉम्ब जाके पाकिस्तान में नहीं फोड़ा गया. I think झगड़े तो सभी के होते हैं.
इधर सर अजय सर.
हाँ, तो झगड़े तो सभी के होते हैं. जब साथ में रहते हैं तो झगड़े तो होंगे ही. आपके पास आप कोई काम नहीं करते, तो हम भी जो काम करते हैं उसके अलावा वक्त मिल जाता है हमको झगड़ा करने का. कुछ लोग ऐसी बात करते हैं जरूर जो कि थोड़ा सिस्टम से फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो चुके हैं और यू नो ओपनली बात नहीं कर सकते और करना नहीं भी चाहते क्योंकि उनकी भी कुछ बंदिशें हैं. बट हाँ, उनकी भी अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं डेफिनेटली. और सिर्फ नेताओं के बारे में नहीं, ऐसी काफ़ी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो पूरे सिस्टम और सोसाइटी के बारे में है जिनसे उनको तकलीफ है.
No, I think in fact we had lots of fun making the movie. It wasn't as hectic. When you work with Rohit and his team, even hecticness seems easy. That's, I think, his USP, that he kind of makes every possible thing look. It might, you know, look really difficult, but the fact that, you know, he and his entire team are there, it just makes everything really easy. So even if it was hectic, I completely enjoyed myself thoroughly.
नहीं, मैं वही चाहूँगा कि वो अपने दायरे में रह के सही काम करें और जो उनका काम है और जो उनका फ़र्ज़ है अगर ठीक से निभाएं तो, और अगर सभी ऐसा काम करने लगे तो फिर आई थिंक 80% से ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो जाएगी.
मैं बोलती हूँ अत्ता माजी सटक की प्यार हो जाएगा. फिल्म में हुआ है. I think of course corruption is the main.
ये सिर्फ अपनी गली की प्रोटेक्शन कराएंगे कि मैं यहाँ रहती हूँ तो ये यहाँ देखते रहना कि सब ठीक है. I haven't seen the trailer, but I'm sure it must be a good film, and it's not releasing on the same date, so I hope that film also does well.
No, I'm a professional rickshaw driver now. Next film I'm going to shoot in a rickshaw. Really? I'm throwing my car now.
नहीं, काउंट बिल्कुल नहीं किया. हाँ, दरवाजे ज्यादा दया नहीं तोड़े, मैं सिर्फ दरवाजों में आया हूँ. Get the mic closer. I mean, I didn't get your whole question. Not really. I mean, something what everybody knows and what we've been hearing on news and watching, and the government trying to get the black money back and things like this. So we've followed the basics. We've not picked up any incident or or tried to do anything of that sort. I think his promo is being attached in our film, and that's what I said कि इतना बड़ा इशू क्या बना लेते हैं आप लोग, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. I mean, it's not an issue at all. He's made Happy New Year. उनका प्रोमो हमारी फिल्म में आ रहा है. He's wished all the best to us.
हो गया बस सर, हमारा काम हो गया.
Yeah, I would definitely wish best of luck, and I hope all films do well.